Good evening, great people. Welcome back to another episode of 30 Days of Options. Today's topic will be about understanding strike prices and finding your profit zone. So, as I stated before, we'll get a little help from ChatGPT on these topics due to the fact I'm not as knowledgeable as I'd like to be, and I'd like to have more accurate information than just myself. Anybody else get hit real hard in the stock market today? I lost about $40. That's not too crazy. I also doubled down on a couple. I doubled down on SoFi. Went ahead and got 30 shares since it was at a discount. The more it goes down, the more shares I get. So let's jump into the video, man. Let's see. Let's ask ChatGPT. What is a strike price? And what's the best method to use when finding a profit zone for options? All right, let's see what ChatGPT says. You ready? All right, so it says, the strike price in options trading is the predetermined price at which an option holder can buy for a call option or sell for a put option the underlying asset. It plays a crucial role in determining the profitability of an options trade. Finding the profit zone for options. To determine the profit zone, you need to consider the break-even price, which is the point at which your trade neither makes or loses money. The method varies depending on the type of option. So call options profit zone. Break-even price equals strike price plus the premium paid. Profit begins when the strike price exceeds the break-even price at expiration. Okay. Put options profit zone. Break-even price equals the strike price minus premium paid. Profit begins when the stock price falls below the break-even price at expiration. All right. Multi-leg strategies, spreads, straddles, iron condors, etc. I'm not sure what that is. For strategies like vertical spreads, you calculate the max profit loss using the difference in strike prices and premiums paid or received. For straddles and strangles, you need a significant move in either direction to break even in profit. For iron condors, your profit in a defined range where the stock stays between two break-even points. The best method to find a profit zone. Use an options profits calculator. These tools graph the profit loss at different price levels. Analyze the Greeks. Delta, gamma, and theta help understand the risk and time decay. Check the risk-reward ratio. Ensure your break-even price aligns with market expectations. Use implied volatility and historical volatility. If IV is high, premiums are expensive, meaning a larger move is needed for profit. Chart key support and resistance levels. Help select strike prices that align with technical analysis. They said, would you like help analyzing a specific trade? Not right now, ChatGPT, but I appreciate the info. All right, let's go back to SoFi real quick. I know I said I wasn't going to run any options until I get 2,000 in my account, but you guys can tell I'm a hypocrite, and sometimes I just pull the trigger depending on how I feel. So SoFi is in what I'd like to call a super dip right now. The price was 10.64 at market closing, and then after hours is at 10.68. Now, usually, if you're watching SoFi, the regular price of SoFi is usually between $11 and $12, right? So what I did was I went to options and I made a $12 call, right, for $4.11 just in case, right? It was a $20 call, and I just wanted to do it just to see. And then I made an $11 call I made two $11 calls. So it has to hit $11.78 for me to even see any profit. Look, break-even price, $11.78. I didn't even pay attention to that, honestly. Like I told you, I'm learning as you guys learn. So if I would have paid attention, I would have looked at the break-even price. Let's look at the options we have. Options. Okay, so the middle is the break-even price. All right. Oh, I see. I see now. I never even paid attention to that. I was just making moves. So let's see if it's 22 days out. So I can make profit if it goes to 10.5, or I could just do an end of money call right there, 11.44, or a $10 call. Okay, I see what's going on. Or now, let me see what's this one. That was actually a great one. So okay, so everybody was right in my Discord about choosing saving your money and buying a higher call and paying for time. Because in 22 days, SoFi will be back to its regular numbers, which is, SoFi's regular numbers are 11, 12 bucks, maybe even 13 sometimes. Let's see, I've been watching this stock since I started this, so I usually know what the numbers are. Look, 1064 is just like the lows. That's the lowest it's ever been in I don't know how long, right? So usually the numbers are around 13, 12, 13 bucks. Sometimes it spikes, you know what I'm saying, even 16, depending on how it feels, depending on what the market does to it. So I could see within 22 days it hitting, I could see in the next couple days it hitting $12 again, because even today, let's go to today. Today it even hit, look what it hit today, 11.40. It hit 11.40 today. Let's see what was the high for today? Yeah, 11.42 was today's high. Let's see, for a week, look, for the week, it hit 12.15, 12.30. I know Trump started talking about tariffs and stuff like that. That's what kind of got everybody scared or whatnot, but I'm not scared, bro. I'm new to the stock market, and it's not like I have hundreds of thousands of dollars in here, so anything Trump says doesn't even affect me for real. So if you guys have smaller accounts, don't be focusing on tariffs and stuff like that. I did sell my Coney, my Misty, and my AIYY, my Fiat. I sold all my Yield Max funds. The reason I sold those is to double down on SoFi, because I feel like this is going to be a jackpot once it goes up. And I can profit a lot more from that than I can from Misty and those places, those things. Let me see what Misty's at for today. Misty. Okay, Misty's at 20.02. That was good at closing. And it even went to 1970 today, which would have been a great buy. It would have been a crazy buy if you bought it at 1970. Yeah. So I wasn't watching Misty today. I was actually focused on SoFi and BTG, definitely. It seems like whenever Trump talks about tariffs, gold stocks start soaring. I even got some Acre positions. I got 10 shares of Acre. So, yeah, these are still dividend stocks. Don't get me wrong. I'm still doing dividend stocks. These right here, EGY, this is a dividend stock as well. It's an energy stock. Waiting for that to go into the green. So we'll see what that does. And then STSS, I don't know. It's just a little penny stock. I just put a few dollars in just to see what it would do. OCEA the same way. Put a few dollars in to see what it does. And T-bill. I got $1,000 in T-bill. And I actually made 87 cents from T-bill today. Was it today or yesterday? Yeah, it was today. They gave me 87 cents for 5 shares. I had 5 shares before the distribution date. That was fire. So T-bill is a good place to park your money, just to sit in there and just let that joint just, you know what I'm saying, rock out. But so yeah, that's where we at with it, man. I'll see y'all guys tomorrow for episode 4. If you'd like to support the channel, All you got to do is click that SoFi link in the comments, create an account, add $50 to it. They'll give you $25 in the next 2 to 3 business days. They say it takes up to 7, but usually it doesn't. Also, I appreciate the likes, the comments, and the subscribers. I'm at 188 subscribers. And yeah, we'll see y'all next time. All right, Yurt.